Good morning, Raptors. Today is Thursday, February 5th. Today's weather is at a high of 70 and a low of 49 degrees. Today is National Nutella Day, so stay sweet. Got any canned foods? Put them in a box near Ms. Acevedo's desk. If you donate 5 or more cans, you get half an hour of service hours. Key Club is having a lip sync fundraiser, so make sure to vote for the teacher that you want to see perform. Make sure to sell chocolate boxes so everyone can go to prom for free, because who wouldn't want to go to an event for free? I'm sure it'll be fun. The current prom tickets are $80 each, but if everyone sells 4 boxes or more, then you don't have to pay for anything.
Hello and welcome to How To with me, Eli. Right now we're gonna show you how to change the tire. So I'm using my car as an example and we're gonna change the tire. It's just theoretical because I don't actually need to change my tire. So I'm gonna show you, yep. So first you gotta make sure that you have your jack or like either with that one, a small one, or the actual big one where you have to pump it. And you also have to make sure you have one of these or like the star ones. And then firstly you have to put the jack on there, and which I already have prepped. Then either with this or however the jack says that it has to be to go in order to go up. Mine has to be like this. You put it onto there and then you turn it this way and then it goes up, and then I can turn it again and then keep it like that. Alright, they're good? Alright. Now that we have the jack already set up, make sure that your tire is lifted up to the ground so that there's nothing touching it, and it's that way that we can take the tire off. After that, make sure to loosen up the bolts with whatever you're using. Me, I'm using this one again. So then you have to use whatever you're using and make sure that you put it where the bolt is at, and you make sure that it's tightened up in there, and then you twist it this way to loosen it up. And you make sure you do it on all of them. So so you can take the tire out. So now that you took out all the bolts, then you're gonna have to use your hands and grab the tire and pull it out. So for example, you're gonna have to grab it from over here, or make sure that it's a place where it's comfortable. Then you just pull it out, and then you grab it and it's already out. So now that you have the tire out, what I do is that I put the tire under here. I try to get the tire as under as I can, so it's safer for like if you're trying to like work over here or anything that you do after that, like changing the brakes or just making sure if the disc is good. So it's easier to put it over there, and it's also safe if the jack ever malfunctions. So now that we have the tire, I'm gonna use the same tire because there's nothing wrong with it again, like I said. But whenever you change your tire, make sure you actually change it, obviously. But then you grab it and you have to pick it up with your hands and make sure you line it up with these holes, with the back holes, so that it can actually like go in, like common sense. But all you have to do is lift it up from here. So now that you put in the tire, make sure you push it in really well. And then you grab one of the bolts and put it on one side, and you twist it as far as you can. It's fine. It's fine if you can get it all the way. Just make sure that you have it there, just in case the tire falls out. And make sure you do it on the opposite side. So if you put it over here, make sure to put it over here. Or if you do it over here, make sure to put it over here. Or just make sure it's in the opposite. And keep doing that until there's no more bolts left.
You ready, Jenny?
So now that you put in all the bolts, make sure you grab it again, and then you do it the opposite way that you took it out. So for me, it's this way. So whenever you put in the bolts, just make sure you do it also the opposite way. Like if you put it on the top one, make sure to put it at the, like you tighten it down on the bottom one. So now that you finished putting in the tire, now you gotta release the jack. So you just do it just the opposite. Basically what I'm saying is, once you have it there, if you did it this way to lift it up, do it this way to put it down. So this is how you change the tire. As you can see, I changed it, it's already back. And yeah, that's how to with Eli. Thank you.
That's all for Raptor News. See you next time. Have a good day.